Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram app notes not showing. So if you cannot see your notes on Instagram, I can help you fix that. It actually is very simple and it is the same on an iPhone and on an Android. So pretty much the same thing. So let's go over how you can fix it. So as you can see right here, I can actually add notes, which is pretty cool. And I managed to fix it for myself, and it's not actually that hard. So there's a few things you can do to have that fixed. The first thing is app versions and region. So chances are that in your region, in your country, you don't have the notes option yet. By the way, I'm outside and I'm very happy to do a how-to video for you guys. So just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if during any part of this video you have any question, comment down below and I'll try to help you out. So first thing you gotta do is go over to the App Store or the Google Play Store, type in App Store, click on search, type in Instagram or Instagram, not Instagram, but yeah, it should have an open option. If it has an update option, just update it. Next thing you can do is just click on the three dashes from your profile. Then you want to click on go down and you want to click on account status. You want to make sure everything is good here. Then you want to go up and you want to see the account privacy. Sometimes switching from a public to private might help. And you also want to switch to a creator account or to a professional account. So from creator, you can add an account just like so. You can also click on switch account type and switch it to a personal account or to a business account. This will actually reset some of the functions. Another thing you can do is go over to settings, click on general, then click on iPhone storage. And from there, you want to go over to Instagram right here and you want to offload the app. So these are most of the things you can do. Another thing you can do is just go here to settings and privacy and you want to report a problem. Let me just see where it is. You can just type in search report a problem. Where's problem? So let's go here, three dashes, problem. Why are there no results? Normally you have an option like that. Limit, suggest contact, supervision, account status, about, or help. So you should go to help, support requests. Yep, and here you can actually create a report, and that's pretty much all you can do to have that fixed. If this video helped you out, just give me a like. Really appreciate it. Subscribe for more content and see you next video. Bye.